Thank you. Good morning. It's a real pleasure to see all of you here today to share in the wonderful weekend that we're going to have and that we've planned for you. I have a couple of announcements that I want to make. First of all, for those of you that are not used to the 8,000 plus foot altitude here, be sure you look in the flyer and see the information about the altitude, and in case you're having problems with it. Also, any of you that have any needs, any problems, be sure to ask any of the staff volunteers that have the pink World Balance shirts on for help. I also wanted to mention that upstairs we have a networking room that has books and tapes that our speakers have brought for your further education. We're also making complete tapes of the conference, videotapes and cassette tapes. We're also going to have a composite made of this whole program that will be later available for purchase by any conference attendees as well as other people. We're also asking that you please don't do any of your own personal taping during the conference, copyrights, things like that. Also, if you're going to be using cameras for photographs, please don't use any flash cameras. The water here that we have for you to drink has been filtered by multi-pure water filtering systems, so you're going to get pure water. Also, the University of Science and Philosophy, which of course, as you know, is a sponsor of this conference, we have a very exciting tape called The Amazing Lives of Walter and Lao Russell, with a narration by Eddie Albert. It's about an 11-minute tape that we'll be showing upstairs in the Jans Auditorium on the hour and at every break. For those of you that want to see this, I would encourage you to go up and take in this incredible video. It really re-inspires me to see all of you people here, to know that you're concerned about our planet and what you can do and what we can all do collectively to reestablish balance on this planet. We've got an incredible lineup of speakers, and some of what's going to be happening this weekend isn't going to just be in the speakers. It's going to be in the interrelationships that you're going to make with each other and what we're all going to learn from each other. This planet now needs every one of us, all 5 billion people working together to put it back into order. There's a tremendous amount of work out there, and it's going to be an incredible opportunity for everybody. A problem with no solutions is depressing. A problem with solutions is exciting. And we've got the solutions this weekend, and we've got the energy and the inspiration. And we're going to do it. I'd like to have the board of directors of the University of Science and Philosophy, which had the courage and the vision to put this conference together for you, I'd like them to come up on stage with me so that you'll know who they are, that later you can come up and talk to them about anything that you might be interested in. And I'd like the directors to come up now. Ms. Margaret Rui, this is Vice President of the University of Science and Philosophy. Mr. Delaney, Richard Delaney, Amelia Lombardi, Paul Fisher, Mr. Yount, J.B. Yount, Mr. Cranwell, Bill Cranwell. Ladies and gentlemen, the Board of Directors of the University of Science and Philosophy. Thank you all so much for making this possible. We couldn't have put this together without two tireless, indefatigable workers that helped put this whole thing together with me, and I'd like them to come up here. Elizabeth Shuey, Annie Epp Roberts. Elizabeth,
How close did I get? How close did I get to this?
about where you're at. It's good.
Well, I just want to say I've never seen such an amazing amount of consciousness in one room from so many countries. When we thought of putting this together, my thought was for us to find a common ground for our human potential to be part of a dream that Lao and Walter Russell envisioned in their lifetime. It is our hope that this World Balance Conference will inspire us all to come together in some form and work together to help to bring back that balance. And Paul Fisher said one day, what would we do if we balanced it all? And I said, we just put a D on the end.
Thanks, Elizabeth and Annie.